The power of words. Welcome to Wisdom Wednesday. Today, we're exploring the profound impact that words can have on our lives and the world around us. Words have the power to uplift, inspire, and transform, but they can also hurt and destroy. Let's delve into the wisdom of using words wisely and harnessing their power for good. Words are the seeds of change. Plant them with intention and watch them grow. The words you speak are a reflection of your inner world. Choose them with care. Kind words are like honey, sweet to the soul and healing to the bones. Your words have the power to build bridges or create walls. Use them wisely. Words are the most powerful tool we have. Use them to uplift and inspire others. A gentle word can turn away anger. Speak with love and watch tensions dissolve. The right words at the right time can change a life. Be mindful of what you say. Words are the music of the soul. Let your words sing with truth and kindness. Speak with integrity. Your words should reflect your values and beliefs. Words can be a source of strength. Use them to encourage and empower others. A single word can spark a revolution. Choose your words with purpose. The power of words lies not just in what is said, but in how it is received. Words can light up a room. Speak with the intention to bring joy and hope. Choose words that lift others up and create a ripple of positivity. Words can heal wounds that time cannot. Speak with compassion and empathy. Your words have the power to transform lives. Use them to inspire greatness. Words are the paintbrushes of our thoughts. Create a masterpiece with your speech. Words have the power to create reality. Speak what you wish to manifest. Speak your truth with courage and conviction. Your words can change the world. Words are the keys to the hearts of others. Use them to unlock love and connection. Kind words can calm a stormy heart. Speak with gentleness and understanding. Words can lift people out of darkness. Speak with the light of hope and encouragement. The power of words is infinite. Use them to create a world of possibilities. The words you choose can either empower or diminish. Choose them wisely. Words have the power to shape our perceptions. Use them to see the beauty in life. Speak words of gratitude and watch your world transform with abundance. The words we speak can shape our destiny. Choose words that align with your dreams. Words are the thread that weaves the fabric of relationships. Speak with love and respect. Words have the power to inspire change. Use them to create a better world. Speak words that resonate with truth and authenticity. Let your words reflect who you are. Words can be a balm for the soul. Use them to heal and uplift those around you. The power of words is limitless. Use them to create a legacy of love and kindness. Words can open doors to new opportunities. Speak with confidence and belief. Choose words that build others up, not tear them down. Be a source of encouragement. Words have the power to ignite passion and purpose. Speak with intention and clarity. Your words can be a source of light in someone's darkness. Speak with empathy and care. The right words can turn doubt into confidence. Use them to inspire greatness. Words can be a source of healing and hope. Speak with the intention to uplift and empower. The words we speak are a reflection of our inner thoughts. Speak with love and positivity. Words have the power to create change. Use them to make a difference in the world. Words are the bridges that connect us to others. Use them to build relationships and foster understanding. Speak words of encouragement and watch others rise to their potential. The power of words lies in their ability to create or destroy. Choose words that uplift and inspire. Words can be a source of strength and courage. Use them to empower yourself and others. Speak words of truth and let your authenticity shine through. Words have the power to create a ripple effect. Use them to spread positivity and kindness. Choose words that resonate with love and compassion. Let your speech be a reflection of your heart. Words can be a source of inspiration and motivation. Use them to ignite the fire within. The power of words is limitless. Use them to create a world filled with joy and abundance. Speak with the intention to inspire and uplift others. Let your words be a force for good. Thank you for joining us for Wisdom Wednesday. Remember, your words are powerful tools that can shape your reality and the world around you. Use them to create a life filled with joy, love, and success. Until next time, keep speaking positively. I'm your host, Abigail. Have a wonderful day.